Today I'll show you how to fix shaky phone videos in minutes using simple tools on your phone. The first method is using Google Photos. This is the easiest way to fix shaky videos and it works on most Android phones. Open the Google Photos app. Find the video that you want to fix and open it. Now tap Edit to enter the editing mode. Then tap Auto and you will see the Stabilize option. Tap Stabilize and Google Photos will automatically reduce the shakes in the video. The second method is using the InShot video editor. If the video is very shaky, InShot usually gives better control than Google Photos. Open the InShot app and import the video. Tap Edit and then find the Stabilizer feature. Here you will see options like Low, Standard and More Stable. Choose the level depending on how shaky your video is. In most cases, Standard works well because it fixes shakes while still keeping the video details clear. The third method is using online stabilization tools. If you don't want to install an app, you can use websites that stabilize videos automatically. For example, tools like Stabilizo or Online Converter allow you to upload your video and stabilize it directly in your browser. However, keep one thing in mind. Since these tools work online, avoid uploading personal videos or videos that contain sensitive information. The fourth method is using EasyGIF or professional editors. Websites like EasyGIF also offer video stabilization features where you can upload a clip and fix the shakes. For very shaky footage, professional apps like Power Director can give better results because they offer advanced stabilization tools. These methods can quickly make your shaky footage smooth and much easier to watch. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want, tell me in the comments which app you use to edit videos on your phone and I might cover it in the next video.